is the response to the previous day's find the word activity or crossword activity? Then today's topics, winning mindset and art of communication. Now for winning mindset, there is going to be a separate deck, and I think somebody will take you through the winning mindset piece also. Is Narinder there? Narinder?
Hi, Alok.
Hi. So Narinder, are we planning to have a separate session from the bank for winning mindset, or how it is to be done?
Sorry, Alok, I couldn't hear you.
Winning mindset का जो piece है, which is there on the screen right now, are we planning to have a separate session with the bank? Somebody from the bank will take the trainers through winning mindset.
We are going to do this, Alok.
We are going to do this. Okay,
Yeah.
great. So bank expects us to do it, right?
That's right.
Okay, fair enough. So let me display the winning mindset is a separate deck altogether. So this is a 4-hour session. Basically, see, the idea about this winning mindset piece is that making these participants aware of who they are, what they are, right? So some of them might not be confident within themselves. So how to give them self confidence? Their mind must be working with so many inhibitions, or it could be like their family background, the kind of family background from there where they come. They might not have exposed to this kind of an environment, so many things would be there in their mind, because of which they would be scared, or they may not be opening up. So this particular session is for those kind of people, to encourage them to identify these strengths in them. So first of all, enlighten them and then encourage them to identify the strengths in them. So that is the objective, prime objective of these this particular session. This slide has to be deleted. This slide is not required, because I'll show you the other slide of winning mindset. Just a minute, I'll display it for you. So there is a separate deck for winning mindset. So this deck has been provided by the bank. This session is going to be for approximately 3.5 to 4 hours. So there will be a couple of videos will be there, part of this deck, and a couple of slides that needs to be discussed. So there is, let me also share, what I will also do is, there are notes to this winning mindset when the bank was giving us the training. So we had prepared the notes also. So I will also share with you the notes for this particular session. So of course, since we are into the third day, so we need not do the introduction part and other things, because this started off with that. The idea of this is that through this activity, through this particular session, we should be able to make everybody talk, as I told, encourage. Now, this slide that you see is that of Roger Gilbert Bannister. who is known to break the barrier. So that is the objective, that this person is known to break the barrier. Now, what barrier he broke? Now, he was a middle distance athlete. This guy was a middle distance athlete. Uh, he was brought up in Britain. So there is a video, but you can tell it as a story also. Uh, so he was brought up in Britain, and he himself was a very shy person. All these are notes. I will share these notes with you. So I'm just trying to tell you. So you build a story here about the Bannister. The thing is that he wanted to complete 1 mile within certain time. So that was his objective. So he actually finished 1 mile by. Actually, he achieved it to finish it. He wanted to achieve it to finish it by 4 minutes. First time he did, it took him 4.26 minutes. He practiced. He did it between 4.07 minutes. And of course, so like that, you can build like so. If you practice, then nothing is impossible. Uh, Irrespective of the background of the person, so you can relate it. So I am telling you this story in a very monotone way, but you can build it as a story and then you tell. So once you have the facts of the story, these 5-6 lines about the story, so you build it as a story and then you tell to the participants. The focus of this slide is that you can achieve. There is nothing that you cannot achieve. You can achieve. So that is the objective. You can also ask in this case that why do you think Roger Bannister was able to break the record of 1 mile in 4 minutes? So how was he able to break the record? So was it practice or was it something else? So once you have told that, if you practice, you will be able to break the record. But what was the reason, actual reason? So everybody will say because he practiced. But nobody will say that he had a strong willpower. Nobody will say that, he actually believed that he will be able to do it. Because if he practiced, but earlier it was 4.26. He practiced more. But what will make you practice more is the belief in yourself that you will be able to achieve it. So that point is highlighted here. The belief is important. So there was this video which was there. So either you can show a video or you can tell a story. So basically, again, that's what I'm saying. Same point that we made in the previous slide, that what you believe in, we try to do that. So if we don't believe, we will not. He would not have practiced if he thought that he will never be able to do it. So that is something, what we can say. So here also you can tell one story. Again, that story is also there. So you can tell it as a story of a woman whose name is Geeta. And we can tell that, she was born where in a male dominant society. So she was born in a male dominant society, and where women are not allowed to speak. So please please use neutral language here. Don't try to relate it to any religion or anything. So just use neutral language. So she just got birth in a society which was male dominated, and women were not allowed to speak. So imagine that girl, if she would have got a job in Axis Bank, what would be her behavior? So you get the answers from them. Obviously, she will be shy. Somebody will say she will be shy. She will not be able to speak. How people will, she may not be able to grow also in the organization. So again, coming back to the same thing, why it is happening like that? because she herself thinks that, you know, she herself thinks that people think like that. So she starts perceiving her because people think that she comes from that society. She's not extrovert. She may not be. She is not fit for the job because she doesn't talk much, and therefore she will not talk much. She herself will not talk much, and therefore she will never be able to break that barrier if she believes that she will not be able to talk much. So therefore, the message on this slide is about how we think precedes what we do. The next is so like this we move ahead. So what we have done is we have built a context for this particular session about mindsets. So relating to the two stories, now we are talking. So it's all about mindsets, how we set our mind, how we start believing things, how we believe ourselves. We tend to do those things. So this is the power of mindsets. Again, a slide is obvious, so we can just run past the slide. Use your own words to explain this particular slide. Now, again, you can project this image and you can ask, what do they see? Somebody will see how many faces do they see in this slide? So they will start with 6 faces, 3 faces, 4 faces. How many human forms basically you see? And maybe some will be able to reach there, some will not be able to reach there. Actually, if you look at it carefully, there are about 9 human forms are there in this picture. So you can do that yourself. So we'll park it. We will ask the question later. So let's look at one more thing. Let's look at one more picture. So you show them the other picture. What is this picture? So you'll say, sir, it is like, graphs are there. Okay, somebody will say, sir, some shapes are there. Or somebody will say, something is written. Lift is, if you look at the white piece, you will see lift is written. So again, there will be mixed views. Somebody will say shape. Somebody will say, no, sir, L is written, I is written. Maybe they're not able to read I, or so like that. But actually, if you see, lift is written in the white portion, L-I-F-T. Now, the point is, why, the question is that why in the previous figure you could not see all the faces? Or why in this figure you could not see, all the words which were there, and therefore understand that it was lift written and not the shapes. Again, so they will have reasons. They will say, sir, we focused on the black. Our focus was on a black thing. Or there you will say, sir, it was very complicated image. We couldn't see anything. So like that, they will have mixed of these things. So therefore, again, relating it to mindsets. If next slide, we are largely unconscious of the existence. So which means what is that we don't even understand what our mindset. We are not even aware. And we think that what we are doing, that itself is mindset, but actually the mindset is making us do things. So the explanation of previous 2 images in the next slide. So you can relate it with that. Going back to the slide here, we tell them that, there were 9 and here it was lift. And the explanation in the next slide. Another activity. So again, full of thoughts, full of involvement. Another activity about the elephant and the rope, and we all know what is this all about, because as a young elephant, it moves here and there. So what they will do is they will tie the elephant to a pole with a rope. and then the elephant is not moving. And when the elephant grows up like that, slowly the elephant understands that, if the rope is tied to the leg, which means that he cannot move anywhere. So even if the other end of the rope is not tied to the pillar, the elephant is not moving in itself, because the mindset is there that that rope means that he will not be able to move. So therefore, it doesn't even move. Whereas the other end of the rope is not even attached to the pillar. That is another story. So it is not the rope that is trying to stop the elephant. It is the mindset that is trying to stop the elephant. Is this making sense, Nitin? Of course, others have already gone through. Nitin and our Ashokji, Bala has still not joined. Nitin, Ashokji, is it making sense? Ashokji, have you gone through Axis in this particular
Actually,
session?
I have been conducting the similar programs for Axis, and I have sat through at least a dozen times through this winning mindset program.
Then you know the spirit of this.
Yes.
Nitin, are you comfortable with this so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So I'm just giving you the crux of the slide. I will share the notes with you so that you can refer to them and build your own flavor in them. Again, there is a message in this slide that it will either help you to fly your mindset, or your mindset will chain you. It will tie you to your own beliefs. So that is the message. So this is what is winning mindset, where you're free, you can think different things. Or losing mindset is where you're tied up to a particular thought, and then it is so close to you that you're never able to come out of that. So that is the objective. Objective is to be free. So that is what it is. There is another activity which is there. Identify one of your winning mindsets that has played a key role in your success so far. So this you can ask them, and then you ask them to share it with you. So they'll come with various answers, various stories. Encourage that. Again, we are trying to make it as more and more interactive. So again, our circle of influence, circle of concern wala thing has come here. So we all say that, okay, we all are concerned about certain things. What are we concerned about? We are concerned about health, family, career, our hobby. These are the things which are our concerns. And we focus on all these things. We focus on our family. We focus on our health. We focus on our hobbies. We focus on our career. Obviously, we all do that. What are the things that we can influence? Circle of influence. Can we influence anything? So the question you ask here is, what is this that you can influence? One is that, yes, you know that you have to take care of your health, your family, your career, your hobby, etc. But is there anything that you can influence? What is it that you can influence? Can you do anything? Circle of influence is basically what you can do. What you can do, that is what is your circle of influence. And therefore, it will probably lead to something that when you think, there are so many concerns around you, you had so many concerns around you, family, health, and when you start dealing with things, first of all, you believe that you can do something about your career, you can do something about your health, and then you start doing it. But before you start doing it, you believe that you can do it. So what has happened is, if you see the difference between the previous image and this image, the moment you start doing things, your circle of influence increases and your circle of concern or your areas of concerns, they start reducing. So that is the highlight of this particular slide, comparing it with the previous slide, that when the moment you decide to do something what you can do, suddenly you will see that your concern areas or your worries start reducing when you start taking action. So this is the circle of influence and the circle of concern wala theory. So again, there is a video here which can be played. This video is about I think it was about the habits, if I'm not wrong. This video was about the habits. You can see and you can relate it. Next slide, related to circle of influence only. Coming back to the same point, related to the video. And of course, previously we spoke about winning mindset. This is about loser mindset. Coming back to the same message. The same message has been told that loser mindset, a winning mindset is the one which will reduce the concerns, your concern areas for you. If you are searching for one person that will change your life, take a look in the mirror. So before projecting this slide, you can ask them, when you're on this slide and you know that next slide is this, you can ask them that, if you are you influenced by somebody? So they will all say yes. There is some guru, somebody, parents, mother, father, brother, somebody. So okay, so how do you? So anybody who has changed your life, ask next question. Influence. Did it change your life? Yes, it changed my life. Or no, it did not. So you will have a mixed kind of a response. So the idea is, now you project this slide and tell them, even if you were influenced by somebody and it changed your life, but actually it was not that somebody who changed your life. It was you who changed your life. The reason for that was because somewhere in your mind there was a mindset that you will be able, that your life will get changed if you follow what the other person is trying to tell you. That is the distinction. It is not that somebody has told you or influenced you that your life has changed. You have told your mind that I need to follow what this person is saying because you thought it will change your life. So actually you are responsible for changing your life. Very often it is very, very common thing that, my friends forced me to do something. We all do give that excuse. So you can give that example also. And if you have any other better example, please use that. And related to the fact that it is we who control our thoughts and not that somebody else. So because of our thoughts, our actions are controlled. So that is the message on this slide. So there is this Pratik. There is a story about Pratik. Story is given about Pratik.
So your presentation has been stuck on the same mirror.
Looks like, yes, it is on mirror, correct. So problem shuru ho gaya. So after mirror slide, it's taking little time. Yeah. So after mirror slide, we have Pratik. So who is Pratik? Pratik was born and raised in a small town. So you tell a story. His story is written here. Come from a humble middle class family. Mother, father, younger sister, myself. My father is a tailor. Mother is a housewife. Loved watching Hindi films, playing cricket. Virat Kohli is my favorite cricketer. After completing class 12 in municipal school, I completed BCom. So this is the story, background of Prateek. Business development executive in Apna Sapna Bank 9 years ago. Today I am the branch head of Apna Sapna Bank in Bangalore. I am very happy. I meet respects. My team respects me. Seniors love me. They have faith in me. My family is not only financially comfortable but very proud of me. So the bottom line is the questions. How was I able to make up to this place? So that is the question that I ask. So you can ask them this question. So let them think, how was Prateek able to reach up to this level? And of course, they will tell various answers, appreciate those answers, and then move to the next slide about Prateek's winning mindsets. So this was the question that you asked. What do you think might have been Prateek's winning mindsets? And of course, people will give answers. So therefore, we are reaching to the winning wheel for Prateek. Again, the circle of influence, what I can do, I must do. So what are the things that I can do? So probably, we can ask them to draw this wheel, draw this shape in a piece of paper. And they can write. What are the winning mindsets for Prateek? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winning mindsets they can write. We will discuss in the following slides. This thing is discussed. So you ask them to draw this, what you call this particular shape, and you ask them to write their mindset. What is their winning mindset? 5 things that they think is their winning mindsets, which ask them to write in this, not for Prateek, but for them. So moving ahead, first thing is, my big vision is the starting point. So relating it to Prateek, my big vision is the starting point. So what is the starting point? What was the starting point for these fellows? They might be knowing these people. Of course, Mahatma Gandhi, J.R.D. Tata, Jamshedji Tata, sorry, and not J.R.D., Jamshedji Tata, and of course, our friend Steve Jobs. People would know who these are and why they are famous. Why they were famous. So ask them why they were famous, and of course they will give answers why Jamshedji was famous. Industries, started industries. Steve Jobs was famous for innovations, etc. Apple, and of course everyone knows why Mahatma Gandhi was famous. So they also had a vision. So he wanted to be innovative. He wanted country to be, India to be self-reliant, and he wanted India to be independent, basically. So they had a vision. And were they able to achieve their vision? Yes, they were able to achieve their vision. So that is what is mentioned here, that they were able to achieve their vision. So the first thing is, have a big vision, which will make you to start. So have a vision, have a goal, which will make you to start, which will make you to success. So all these things are given here. Again, do an activity. Imagine it is 5 years from today, you are recognized as a star performer and are recognized as Axis Stars event. A mentor who has known you since the day you joined makes a speech about you. So what do you want? So what we will tell them is, how do you want you to be introduced? Write certain things about it. How do you want yourself to be introduced in that, the star performer event as Axis Star? How you should be introduced. So write your own speech, introduction speech. What do you want to be highlighted? Which points? Write at least 3 points. So note it down in the appropriate segment of your winner's wheel. Again, that shape which was told, ask them to write it there. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to create their mindset. We are giving them a goal that I should be known as somebody, you know, who consistently achieved targets. So they'll say consistently achieved targets. So that vision they have got, that from today I need to consistently achieve target. So that is how we are trying to relate it to that. To make them write, so they'll write. Next is to live is to learn. So Prateek's next winning thing is to live is to learn. What does it mean to live is to learn? It means that we need to keep developing our knowledge, and we can relate it to our profession, that it is so dynamic profession. It keeps changing. Every now and then new products, new services are getting introduced. So therefore, constant learning is important. And of course, you can give examples of people, you know, who got famous in the later ages of their life, who never gave up. You have examples of Colonel Sanders. You have examples of, you know, from Bollywood. You can take some examples like famous comedian or famous actor, I would say, not a comedian, but a famous actor, Boman Irani, who got famous in his early 40s or mid 40s. Before that, he was not so famous. So never stop learning. Never. So Lata Mangeshkar ji, she still will do practice, rihas. What we say, she will still do rihas. Even at this age, every day she will do rihas. Sachin Tendulkar would not have made it had he not been, you know, understanding or learning constantly, because, you know, we all see him as a batsman, but we don't see that, you know, the different kind of bowlers that he used to face. No one thinks like that. And he has to understand the technique of bowling, how the other person will bowl. Once having understood one bowler, in the next test match or next test series, sometime, you know, the team changes, a new bowler will come. Again, this fellow has to understand the technique of that bowler. And if he stops doing that, how he would have been able to achieve what he has done in the cricket? So, constant learning. So that is the activity. What all can you do in your role as sales professional to build this mindset of constant learning? Again, make them write. Debrief. Learn from what is happening around you. So this slide is a debrief of the previous activity. I'll just take a pause here. I will just ask Nitin, Ashokji, of course, yes, but let me ask Nitin. Nitin, is it making sense to you? I'm going little. I am doing this session exactly the way it should not be done.
I got it, sir.
Nitin, so I'm just downloading it. Ashokji, mute. Yeah. Okay, great. But you need to build the spirit and the emotions in this program, because this is all about connecting this particular session. Right, Nitin?
Right, sir.
So don't go by my inflection. I am totally doing it in a downloading manner.
Got it, sir.
Yeah. So next, focus fosters success. So remaining focused. Once you remain focused on your goal, what you're supposed to do, and you're not distracted, you will succeed. Again, an activity. What all can you do in your role as a sales professional to build this attribute of focusing? Again, they will write something. So this is the debrief of that activity, that, you are focused, you should know what is important, what is not important for you. So prioritize, plan your work. So once you know what is important, what is not important, you can plan, time your day. Certain things are very important which needs to be done urgently. Do those first, reschedule the other things. Start your day early so that you have more time for you. You can think how you need to plan your day. You can give your example. Like I give today's, my today's day was totally, it went haywire because I woke up a little late. So the moment it is like that, I lost those extra hours of thinking and planning. So I was straight into the work. The moment I got up, within few minutes, I had to be into the work. And I did not get time to plan my day, think how should I, what should I do. So I was simply landed up doing transactional things. So whatever was coming my way, I started doing those things. And of course, I am not comfortable with that situation. So you can use that example. So stumbling blocks are really stepping stones. So whatever challenges that you face, those challenges make you strong. So next couple of slides, our stumbling blocks, you will hear rejections, things will not go the way we want them to go, we will make mistakes, we will not meet targets, we will have unpleasant experience with customers. Yeah. So do you think people don't fail? People who are successful, they don't fail? Of course they do fail. And we all know the story of Amitabh Bachchan, where he was rejected by the All India Radio audition test first time in Kolkata, where he went to give the audition test and he failed because they understood that his voice probably was not up to the mark or fit for the radio. And today he is known for his voice only. And of course, as an actor also, he was rejected initially because of his height. He could not make it big for so many years. Similarly, Jack Ma is there, who failed, and the list of his failures are given there. So many examples are there. Two are in front. So we discussed those. How many times, you can relate it to so many videos which are there on Facebook, where, they show that, in the hunting thing, the stronger animal is not able to have control over the weaker animal. Or even if the stronger animal has got the weaker animal in the clutches, still the weaker animal, through the struggle and all. So many videos are there. I'm sure some of them would have seen those videos also. So everyone fails. It's not that only weak people fail. The strong people also fail. So that the fact is that failures are fine. But when you fail, you need to introspect what were the areas of improvement and how you can improve. And therefore, make those failures as the stepping stone towards your success. So that is the objective of this slide. So make your failures as stepping stone to your success. Learn from your failures. So next couple of slides are about that. Then the fifth point, clear conscience is the softest pillow. Very important, because we are in finance business, banking business. Therefore, we need to sleep peacefully in the night. You will only be able to sleep peacefully in the night only when we are honest. We have done our day honestly, right? We have done our work honestly. We have not done anything wrong, because it is not that, we always say that, in the end of the day, when you are talking to yourself, when you are with yourself, ask a question that, if you have done something, will you be able to meet the eyes of your family members, or will you be able to see into the eyes of your children? Of course, in this case, they're all young. So we can say that, will you be able to see into the eyes of your parents and tell them that you have done this? Will you be able to do Have you done something which you will not be able to tell to somebody? Think like. And that is the secret of what has been done correctly and what has not been done correctly by you, because it is a very individual thing. The idea is that we are in the profession, in the banking business, so therefore honesty, keeping the conscience clean is something which is very important. So therefore, another activity of giving them a thought where they followed the guidance of our conscience and they stopped themselves from doing something. Whereas if they would have done it, it would have been easy for them to do. So if they can think of some example, though it is little tough with their experience in life, but if they can think of some examples, it will be good. Keeping a clear conscience is important. And so this is our winning wheel. So we have created, so this is Prateek's winning wheel. Actually, this is our winning wheel now. So again, re-emphasize on the 5 elements. So we have seen this, so another activity, which one of these 5 mindsets do you already excel the most? Remember, we would have asked them to write their mindset by making an image. So they would have written some 5 points. So can they relate it to those 5 points? Have they got anything in there which is already written there? And if it is not there, again, give them a thought, let them think, give them some time to think, let them think whether, how they can do it, how they will be able to do it. Or they can also come back and say, no, I don't think so, I'll be able to do it. So we can always discuss that point also. If they come and say that I will not be able to do it. Interesting activity before closing. There is this piece of cake and you need to tell them that what is the maximum number of equal pieces you can get from this cake with 4 straight strokes of a knife. तो इस केक को 4 बारी काटना है, तो कितने इक्वल पीस में आप काट पाओगे, कितने इक्वल पीस होंगे. So again they will try, they will think, they will come back with different answers, and of course there are 16 pieces. And this is the solution. This is how it can be cut into 16 pieces. And show it first cut into half, then put on top of each other, then cut those into half, second stroke. Put all 4 on top, cut those into half, third stroke, and put all into half, cut those into half. That way you will have 16 pieces. I think there is a video also of this which will be shared with you. You can see that video practically. But this is the solution. So this is about thinking out of the box. Thinking out of the box. I think possible that you can have more pieces if you think out of the box. Change mindset and give them the message, and this is the end of the session. Let me ask Ashok ji, from your experience of handling this session so many times, what is your experience with what is how does this session is carried out, and how do the participants participate before the session, after the session?
Yeah,
Do you get?
actually,
Do
it
you
depends. It's absolutely depends on the person who is handling it. And in addition to the content, what we are seeing on the screen, there are because I was putting so many inputs from my side along with this,
Correct.
because the ultimate purpose is to just to spin the people in the positive attitude kind of thing towards the training. This program we are conducting towards the program first, and then their job in the bank, what they're going to do. So it's it's an attempt to just to modify or change their mindset towards the entire thing. And that way, actually, I have attempted it. And my experience, yes, of course, it has been very good as far as responses is concerned. The interaction actually increased after this session. So initial 2 days, it was reluctance was there, but this particular session, it gave an opportunity to connect in a better way with the people.
Absolutely.
So, yeah. So that was it's a good experience actually, and I always appreciate to Axis Bank also that yes, this is a very good thing you are doing for just to remove the monotony of this entire banking things and all. So सब लोगों को ये देख के ये सुन के भी participants are also sweetly surprised अदर कर ये बीच में क्या आ गया. This is a good thing.
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
And then it is a reality check also for them, and it is a guiding thing also for them. How they need to take course of their life.
Yeah, and generally people at this level, no BD level, they are almost many people are just fresh from the college actually. So they are open. Their perception is almost at the they don't have their opinion about themselves. So you can just mold them whatever you want, and it's a very good initiation actually. That is my experience in that.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Ashok. So we move ahead then, of course. Thank you so much. So you move ahead, and then after break, our video session, normal video session, and debrief of the video again related to the whatever has been covered. One more video just to break the after break siesta. Moving to art of communication was our another topic. So it is very important. Basically types of communication, which is verbal, vocal, or visual. So the idea is that we communicate through everything. Is it verbal, is it vocal, or is it visual? We ask a question. So people will usually land up saying, yes, communication means, what we speak. Communication means what we write. But what is visual communication then? You can ask, because are you communicating something even when you are not speaking or writing? So there is the concept of body language which we are trying to introduce. So you have vocal, you have verbal, and of course visual is something which is the body language part. So this is an interesting activity which you can ask them to do. So invite one participant, say a statement in a particular way. Now these statements are given here. So here in the trainer notes, along with the expression. So as a trainer, you need to build this expression in the within the statement. So if I say I love ice cream, so don't say I love ice cream. Smile and say I love ice cream. And then you shout and say angry, get out of the room. So like that. So build those emotions and ask them, like, what did they make? What am I trying to communicate? So somebody will say, sir, you were smiling, that you really like the ice cream, even though you never. So you say. So when you smile and say, oh, I like the I love the ice cream. So you are smiling. So ask them, what does it mean? Ask them to interpret that. Then once they have done that, they have understood it. Okay, now you have understood it. Yes, I have understood it. No problem. Now say it in the opposite way. Do it in the opposite way, which means if you as a trainer has told that I love ice cream, they should say I hate ice cream along with the expression. So what we are trying to do through this activity is we are trying to make them aware of that the body language, the expression also communicate. So that is what it is. So the trick is that say the opposite statement with opposite expression. So they should be able to say I hate ice cream along with the expression. So they understand your expression. That is one confirmation that they have understood. Another confirmation is that they also understand that there is a body language. Smile they will understand, and then hate they will understand. Similarly, shout and angry. Similarly, polite and peaceful. So like that, you can do a couple of activities, a couple of these basically the gestures, I would say, you can pick up. If you're not comfortable with all, you can do 2, 3, more than enough, and just drive down what is expected. So debriefing on communication. match puzzle stick. This has to come after. So these things will get arranged. So this is simply kept. So there will be a break, and after that, this will happen. So debrief after the break. Share the story. Again, this is a related story. Winners win. We saw yesterday how do we have to do the story. Again, we are reaching to the end of this day 3. Winning mindset would have taken major part of our day. Then crossword, give them the activity, you will get a link. And of course, I will not spend more time on this. They have also introduced a learning module, which is through Master O. So Master O, also we will introduce to them that there will be a user ID and a password for this app, Master O app, which they need to install. In their mobile phones, they need to install. Then they will be using their AD-ID, as they call it, to log into it. And this is a e-learning. So basically a self-learning, not a e-learning, self-learning module. So there will be some topics related to sales. They will go through that. So we'll just tell them that they need to download and start doing that. This is Master O, and then there is a closure of the session, tomorrow's session. So this is what is day 3. Nitin and Ashokji, any questions on other than winning mindset? I mean, it was fairly clear, straightforward, right?
Yeah, it's clear. It's clear. It's
only
clear.
Only thing is this Master O, which is little new. This is a learning app for them in their mobile. They need to download. User ID, password, the bank would have told them. All we need to tell them is they need to complete the lesson.
Okay. Anyway, on all these technical aspects, people like me will need a lot of help from either Narendra or maybe Rintu or Tejaswini, or so they will have to help me for these all technical things in at least once for everything.
What technical thing, Ashokji?
Like no, this suppose now this new thing you are telling now how to make it operational. That I will have to look into it, because even till now I have not received the day 1 content, and tomorrow morning we have to start it. So no, that will just leave with a very small time gap actually for me to prepare and then keep the things ready actually.
Okay.
Even that Menti and Mentimeter things also, people have to prepare. So far now nothing has been received.
No. So Menti, you don't have to prepare, in the sense you don't have to create anything. It will be created and shared with you.
What yesterday it was told by Susmita that we have to create means in every case.
Okay. Hi, good evening. I'm so sorry I was late. I was in a call. So Menti all ready and created. So Rintu, if you're there on the call, please distribute the IDs. And if you want, I can right now log in and show it to you how they are structured and how you need to access it. We will be, using it like that. So they're all ready.
Yeah, Susmita ma'am, this is Rintu here.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, ma'am, the ID which you have created, the earlier one, shall I share that credentials to all the trainers?
Yeah, so again, distribute them among 4 trainers. There are 4 IDs, right?
4 IDs, fine.
Yeah. Similarly, like we had done last time, in same way you can do it.
Fine. And the content I'm going to share right now. I received just now from you. Yeah, fine.
Correct. Let me, would you want me to share the Menti and take you through it?
No, that will be okay. I just wanted that it's already 7:30 and tomorrow morning, what time we have to start?
I think it's 9:30, right, Narendra?
Yeah, Susmita, don't you agree that it leaves with a very little time to prepare and present the things? If things can be done a bit little faster, then it will be better.
Yeah, sincerely apologies. It's absolutely my bandwidth that had got sucked in, and I will shoot out the day 2 and day 3 content also by tonight or tomorrow morning. So my bad. I've been stuck in pieces wherein
Because
I
see Susmita, it's like that. I have been in a program already, so I am on my laptop since 9 in the morning. Finished up my program at 5:30. Joined Alok at 6:30. Now almost 7:30. Now I will go to the content. It will be at least 9. Morning 9:30 I have to start. तो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा overload हो जाता है. That's why I said. Otherwise it's okay.
humbly, I would like to apologize once again.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Otherwise it's okay.
I understand. If I was in your place, I would also be, not very happy of this situation.
No, it's okay. No, I'm happy. It's
Don't
not.
worry,
I'm not unhappy actually.
The session, if you see, me and Rami and Adharva had done the first batch. Yes, the content is very simple. I mean, and yes, the content once shared, which you might have to just go through. This is from my own personal experience, and please
Yeah,
pardon me of taking the liberty of talking about it. It's just that engaging them, and if go with the flow of the slide. Yeah, we have to get used to the flow of the slide once. But once you do that, the topic is fairly simple. That I can assure you.
That I understand. That I have done a lot of programs for exiting actually. So I understand, but it was just that's why I said no, that because of this overload I said this. Otherwise I'm happy, quite happy with this.
Yeah, I can understand the anxiety that goes.
I know.
You can
I
say it's
am
anxiety.
a trainer at heart, so I know what you're going through. Completely understand.
No, this sincerity creates anxiety. That
As a Hindi proverb goes, जब ओखली में सर दिया तो मुसलों से क्या बैर.
अरे वो सब पुराना हो गया. वो सत्युग की बातें हैं. अभी we are in the कलयुग actually. तो इधर ना ओखली है ना सर है, वैसा कुछ भी नहीं है. अभी इलेक्ट्रिक चक्कियां आ गई ये सब जगह. वो जो सारी मील्स है ना, वैसी तो 1 मिनट में साफ कर देती है पूरा सब.
Very rightly.
वहाँ अभी सर देने से डरना पड़ता है, ऐसा है. So good. This is good actually.
So I would like to ask again, do you want me to take you through the Menti, or is it okay?
No,
Because then
Susmita.
when
I hopefully if but why my concern is that hopefully if during the session if I have any technical challenge, I would like to have at least somebody for my help. But that's the only concern. There may be some technical things. मैं समझ तो गया हूँ सब कुछ. I will try to do everything as per the directions of Alok and you people. पर कहीं कुछ ऐसा suppose कि कुछ वीडियो मेरे से प्ले नहीं हो रहा है या कहीं कुछ ऐसा कुछ दिक्कत है, minor technical problems. So कुछ कोई हैंडी रहेंगे मुझे हेल्प करने के लिए. That's the only thing. बस बाकी कंटेंट वाइज इट्स ओके. मैंने एक्सिस के प्रोग्राम्स किए हैं तो मुझे उनका अप्रोच भी पता है. कंटेंट आई एम अवेयर ऑफ. इन फैक्ट एक्चुअली आल्सो आई एम अवेयर ऑफ सो मेनी थिंग्स. तो वो कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. बट टेक्निकली कहीं कुछ अगर दिक्कत आती है मुझे तो थोड़ा सा कभी हेल्प चाहिएगा बस. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग.
Yeah, so I think Rintu and Narendra will keep moving in and out of sessions.
Yes, fine. That's fine.
So that will be there. But if there is, see, मैं तो believe करती हूँ as a trainer, सब कुछ मेरे हाथ में होना चाहिए कंट्रोल, ताकि मैं सेशन के हिसाब से रन कर सकूँ.
Right.
Okay. So when you keep saying technically I would need help, where is the disconnect or discomfort, if I may, ask? Then we can help you right now.
No, even I may not. I'm saying that I may face actually. I may not. It's just again that's the. It's just an
ऐसा होता है ना कि technically कोई भी issue कभी भी किसी के साथ भी आ जाता है.
Yes. So अभी ऐसा कुछ specific point नहीं है. Again, you can say that it's just an anxiety हो सकती है मेरी.
हाँ, हो सकता है. But what my recommendation would be for you, that if you can practice, see, between how will you toggle between the presentation and the Menti?
No, that I have understood.
हाँ, वो एक बार आप practice कर लिए, then there is no technical challenge at all.
क्योंकि आलोक ने कल बड़ा सही तरीके से वो रास्ता दिखाया था हमको कि आप पहले से जो है अपने behind the screen में Google का open करके रखिए. So you can immediately present your screen of Google and it will be visible to the participants. So that I have understood. Yes, that I have understood.
Correct. But then that needs a little practice, sir. That is where I'm.
इसीलिए मैं कंटेंट आपसे जल्दी मांग रहा था.
वो तो आप ऐसे भी कभी भी प्रैक्टिस कर लो किसी भी स्लाइड के साथ में. ऐसा
right.
Anyway, now the content is there. Rintu will share those login ID passwords with you.
Yes.
So there is a dedicated login ID for each of the trainers. So each batch as many batches are running, we have parallel IDs,
Okay,
and day wise your mentees have been structured there.
right, fine. That's enough. That's enough.
Okay. But
Good
tonight
enough.
again, I will go and revisit just in case, because of I don't remember if there is for day one there has been any change in the mentees, but I'll still go and check.
Okay, fine.
Okay, ji.
I'm
Alok
done.
ji,
Yes.
anything else that was left or had to be done?
Day four, I will just take 10 more minutes, agar comfortable hai to, because day four is majorly communicate. I just have to tell two things in day four. If we have time, we'll be able to finish day four also, and then we are good to go. Is it okay?
डे
10
फोर वैसे भी अपना सेकंड शेड्यूल में आने वाला है. हमको जो शेड्यूल आया है उसमें डे 4 इज ऑन 5th, 6th and 7th.
Okay, so you want to park it? It's okay. We can cover it later. Not an issue.
Yes.
Yeah, Susmita ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, Rintu here, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have shared the content of day one
Okay.
to all the trainers, and even just now I have shared the mentee credentials also.
Great.
It's a humble request to you, ma'am. Can you show one demo to all of them, because they have to be clarified if there is
Okay.
one demo.
I was offering again and again.
Yeah, trainers, I have sent the mail. This content I have shared just now, and even I have shared the mentee credentials also. Please check your emails. I have just shared 2 mails right now, and ma'am will Susmita ma'am will explain you regarding like how to use mentee. Ma'am, I have marked CC to you also the mentee credentials.
Sure. No, I have them saved in my system. I don't need any credentials. I can log into multiple
Yeah.
accounts for various projects that I have running. So, sorry.
Rintu,
Yeah,
just want to reconfirm, have you shared it on sharadkhanna@gmail.com? Because it seems I'm not receiving.
No. I have shared only to Ashok sir, Nitin sir. Hello, Ashok sir and Nitin sir. Have you received my mail?
Yeah, I have received.
Yeah, I have received it.
Sharad, Narendra here. I forwarded that
Yeah.
text.
Rintu, सबसे शेयर करना है ना, जो सब ट्रेनर्स हैं सभी से शेयर करना. How many
हाँ.
batches are there?
4 batches.
4 batches. Yeah.
To share with all the entire panel.
हाँ,
Why? Because Rintu, सुनो,
Backup है ना?
ये अभी चेंज हो गई है स्लाइड, ठीक है ना?
Right.
पहले 14 दिन का था, अब 10 दिन का है, तो पिछला वाला डेक काम नहीं करेगा. Please understand.
Okay.
Alok, I am already, forwarding this to Lavkesh, Ramya, Sharad. Okay, I'm sharing it
नहीं,
with
आगे-
them. Let
Okay,
Rintu send these to 4 trainers only.
Yeah, already shared. Amit
Thank
sir,
you, Narendra
Ashok
ji.
sir, Nitin. Yeah.
Confusion ना हो जाए.
Confusion नहीं होगा.
हाँ.
Yes, मेरा क्या हुआ? अशोक here. क्या हुआ मेरा? किसी ने मेरा
आपका
नाम
कुछ
बोला
नहीं
है.
हुआ. आपका
No, somebody
नाम
called
ले
my
लिया.
name. That's why.
Okay. ठीक है. Let me present so that we can quickly finish this and take a break for the day end. Yeah. So I hope you're able to see my screen.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is your mentimeter.com. So you enter this website name mentimeter.com and go into login. So it will ask you, so just put in that email ID and the password and then just do a login. So as I said, there are folders that have been created. Now I'll just make the necessary changes to here, especially on the later, but day one, I don't think there is additional, mentees that have come in. So for each day, there is a folder and you'll find, okay, somebody has renamed it. The last trainer has renamed it. So I'll rename them for the slide. Okay, so this is for slide name. I think this was Mr. Nitin Mehrotra who has done these changes. Yeah. So generally what we follow is we put the slide number here so that it's easy for you to quickly pick out and run it. So I don't know. So just click on the presentation. So here your question is already there. What are your feelings about your role? And all you need to do is, as Alok said, go into the presentation mode. So present, run the present here. I'm escaping it. There is this button out here. Do a present mode before you tell them, okay, now go and log on, menti.com and use this code. So you could put it in the chat window, or you could say, okay, you can see it in the projection on top. You can see 90891393. And right here at the bottom, you'll be able to see how many people have started participating. Alok, did we do this exercise with them, the trainers? Especially the new ones?
Which exercise? Menti wali?
So that they can experience
day one,
it.
Day one कराया था ना? Day one कराया था ना?
नहीं, उन्होंने खुद करा था ना? So that they experience the how the ठीक है.
दिया था ना demo day one में दिया. Done that already.
Things on my mind. Sorry, apologies. Yeah, so therefore you will see I can go back to day one from here on top and pick up the next presentation. Okay, so all presentations have one slides, and so you can get whichever one. So I will rename them and go and check for each login ID, slide number, and mostly what happens is whatever you use, comes out on top. So if you can see a few seconds ago, I was using it, and the last ones, so it kind of takes on that automatic hierarchy. The latest ones goes on top. So don't get confused or baffled कि अरे वो तो कहाँ गया, नीचे भी शायद चला गया होगा. I think one of few days there are multiple mentees that we are going to be using. Yeah. So any question here? Any time that you want to log out, of course, is here. Yeah. Anytime I want to go back to my presentations, I can go here and go and search for the folder, device folder, and get into the folder. So for example, here it was only one, so you have only one Menti slide. Yes, any sawal, anything that you want from here? Anybody? Or just say, right, okay, let's say good night, end of the day. Rintu sir, over to you.
Ashok ji, Nitin ji, I hope.
Yes, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay.
Right?
Yes, sir, it's all clear.
Good. We're good to go. All the best.
Yeah, and have we added them through the trainer WhatsApp group?
Yes, already added.
Rintu? Yeah.
Yes, already added.
Okay, good.
Good, because we generally do a lot of interaction on that group. ठीक है जी. Done.
Thank you, Alok sir. Thank you, Ram.
Okay, ji. Thank you.
Okay, ji,
Thanks for your time. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much.
Ashok ji, Nitin, Amit, Lokesh.
Thank you, sir.
Silent, Harinder, everyone.
Yeah.
Thank
All
you
the
so much.
Thank you,
Ramya.
sir. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
I would, since it's day one tomorrow, I would request if you could, log in maybe by 9:10 or 9:15 max. So in case if there is any, technical glitch, we can look into that. So that's the reason. Yeah. All the best once again. Thank you.
Okay, ji. Thank you.
Thank you,
Good
ji.
night.
Thank you so much.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
All
Take
the
care.
best for
Bye.
tomorrow. All the best for tomorrow.
All the best.